Now, I also want to talk about a third category, which is a set of people who are not able to take decisions. Decisions like whether I should quit or not, whether I should stay in the same job or whether I should go ahead and quit and find a new job. If you are in such a state, I want to tell you 5 questions that you should ask yourself. These 5 questions, if you answer honestly, you will get the answer whether you should stay or whether you should quit. Okay. Question number 1, ask yourself, am I still growing in this job or am I just surviving? Okay. Ask yourself honestly, is this job or the potential opportunities giving me any growth, or is it just about survival? That's the first question that you should answer honestly. All right. Let's move to question 2. You should ask yourself, if I stay in the same company, same role for one more year, will that make me happy? So you need to fast forward your career and think, if I stay in the same company, same role, or maybe same company, different role, will that make me happy after 1 year? And basis that answer, you will get a direction. Let's move to question 3. Ask yourself, am I staying in this job because of some hope that something is going to happen positive? Maybe I'll get a better role, maybe I will get an on-site opportunity or a better salary or something positive, some hope. So is that the reason why you're staying? Or are you staying because of fear, which means because you're scared that there is so much of layoff going outside, there is no guarantee about finding a job, so let's stay where we are. So you need to think about whether you're staying because of hope or because of fear. That will give you some indication of how your decisions are being made. With that done, let's move to question 4. Ask yourself whether I'm really serious about my dream or I want to stick to the kind of work I have done in the past. Okay. So basically, planning big or thinking big may also be wishful thinking, right? That I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that. But are you seriously committed towards that? Are you ready to take those actions? Are you ready to pay the price? If the answer is yes, then yes, go for it. But otherwise, if you think you've already done a lot of work in the past and you are happy with what you've invested as an effort and wherever you have reached, you are happy, then it is better to stay where you are. All right. That was question number 4. Now, question number 5. Ask yourself, if my best friend, my brother, my sister, or somebody very close to me, if that person was in a similar situation as me, what advice would I give to this person? That will tell you the thinking that you would have. If somebody else was in your position, then what would you tell them? All right. So that will open a lot of windows in your mind. Okay. So these are the 5 questions that you should ask yourself seriously when you are stuck with a decision making of whether to stay in the same job or whether you should quit. All right. With that, we've come to the end of the video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think about it in comments. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to share it in your WhatsApp groups. I'll see you on another video soon. Take care and bye for now.